Bitpie Wallet App. The pros, the cons. The Bitpie Wallet app is one of the lesser-known yet powerful multi-chain wallets out there. But is it really worth using in 2025? Let's explore the pros and cons so you can decide for yourself. Starting with the pros, Bitpie is built for users who value security and flexibility. It's a non-custodial wallet, meaning you control your private keys. No company or third party can access your funds. That's a huge plus for anyone who believes in true crypto ownership. Another major advantage is multi-chain support. Bitpie supports popular blockchains like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and even niche coins that many wallets skip. You can manage multiple assets all in one place without juggling different apps. One of Bitpie's standout features is its integration with Bitpie and hardware wallets. This means users can interact with decentralized apps and boost security by pairing with external devices. It's designed for advanced users who want flexibility without sacrificing protection. The app also includes built-in exchange functions, letting you swap coins directly inside the wallet. This makes it convenient for traders who want to stay mobile without relying on centralized exchanges. But now, let's talk about the cons. The first downside is that Bitpie's interface can be confusing for beginners. It's packed with features, but that complexity can overwhelm users new to crypto. Another drawback is limited customer support and documentation. While the wallet is secure, troubleshooting issues can be slow, especially for those who need guidance. Finally, Bitpie's reputation took a minor hit years ago due to security concerns around its previous versions. Although improvements have been made, some users remain cautious. In conclusion, Bitpie Wallet is ideal for experienced crypto users who want a powerful, decentralized, multi-chain wallet. It's flexible, private, and feature-rich, but not the simplest option for beginners. If you know what you're doing, Bitpie could be a hidden gem in your crypto toolkit.